Here's all the toys. Let's see the toys.
I was in the bathroom.
You're in the bathroom?
No, that's where I was. I wasn't in bed.
Alright. Here's all the toys. Everybody say good morning.
Good morning. Nice to see you.
Morning.
Good morning.
Turn the light on.
Happy holiday.
Okay, Lee. What's all this? Come on out. Whoa. Look, Abby, who's this?
Abby, who's that?
Whoa.
Who is that?
What is all this? Whoa.
Oh, are you going to the kitchen, Maddie?
What's all this?
They've been told not to touch everything for so long. They're kind of like,
Maddie, what are you doing?
What's sister got?
Oh, give me my phone back, please.
Alright, let's start opening some presents.
Who's this? Abby, who is that? Who's this?
Whoa.
Is that Mick-Mac?
Abigail. Where's Mickey?
And she's like,
Where's Mickey?
Chris,
What is that?
move your butt, Daddy.
You can touch Maddie.
Get it?
Hi, Maddie.
Wow.
What do we do?
Great
So
shot.
I'm going to the kitchen. Going back to my
Hi. Whoa, Matt, what did you find?
What is that back there?
What's going on, Abby?
Abby, where's Mick Mick?
What's doing?
Where's Mick Mick?
Mickey Mouse wants a kiss.
She's more interested in
She's
getting her
dripping.
milk.
Oh.
Abby, can you go give Mickey a hug?
You want me to hold it? Go play with toys now.
Go
Go
get
look.
Mickey. Give her back.
Abby, Abby, who's this? Who's this? Okay, we'll move all this for you. Give Mickey a hug. Who is this? Can you come pet Mickey?
Mickey!
Minnie.
Oh, hi, Minnie.
Madison, who's this?
What's she got?
Oh, there's a good one.
Oh, what's that, Abigail? What's that?
Daddy, what you got, huh?
Is that your kitchen?
Matt,
Look.
Matt.
What you got?
They still make Lincoln Logs.
Huh? Hey, Abby, where's Mickey Mouse? Can you show Mickey Mouse your kitchen?
She's trying to cook something for Mickey.